Welcome to Flex GUI. In this tutorial we're going to show you how to install Flex GUI and Qt Designer. These are pretty easy to do, so it'll be a little short video. Enjoy. My home page is gnipsel.com. We'll start right there. We'll go down and select Flex GUI. That brings us to the documentation for Flex. We'll select installing. I'm going to right click and open in a tab the repo, get the latest deb, download that. Then we're going to install that using GDebi. Go into the downloads folder, right click, open with GDebi package installer. I'm going to install a package. You got to give your password. Yeah, there it's installed. We're done. Now if we go to applications, CNC, we can see that copy Flex examples, which will copy all the example files. And you got to tell it yes. Done. So now we can go see those in the Linux CNC directory. But first, we're going to go and install Qt Designer real quick. So just copy this right here, go in a terminal and right click and paste. Then you got to enter your password and tell it yes. This takes just a couple seconds. And we're almost done. Yep, done. Now that Qt6 is, I'm going to make a copy of an example file called Simple Sim. Right click, copy, get down here, right click, and paste. It's going to create a copy. We're going to right click and then rename it. I'm going to name it My Mill. Now I'm going to open that up, change the names of the INI file. And change the name of the UI file. The UI file contains all the widgets. That's what actually displays. We'll get to that in the next video. Now we're going to open the INI file up. We're going to change the machine name. That's what displays. And we're going to change the GUI to the same name we named it just a minute ago. Then we're going to add one more INI entry, which is input. I'm going to put that, set that as keyboard. There's two different inputs you can pick, keyboard or touch. Save that. Now we can go to applications, CNC, Linux CNC. We can pick that from my configurations. Click OK. And it's loading up. Now there's nothing in this, so it's just a blank screen. We'll get to the next screen. The next video we'll start adding some components to it. So thank you for watching. Bye.